And the race on Love Kuto rushing up Hajok down on the inside. Danish Minstrel. And moving up is Something New. Hajok, Something New. Love Minstrel. Danish Minstrel down on the inside. Charge forward. Rushing up is entry number 4. Love Kuto. And nearing the far turn. Something New. Followed by Hajok down on the inside. And racing into Danish Minstrel. Alongside is Tiago. As they race the last 500. Something New by about 2 lengths, followed now by Danish Minstrel. Tiago is racing on the outside, charge forward. Reality show winner take all. Basta as they race the final corner. Something New by half a length. Danish Minstrel on the inside. Tiago and on the further outside Storm Play. But Something New by about 2 lengths now. Followed by Tiago in second. And nearing the finish line, number 9, Something New. And finally, Something New. Tiago, basta, winner Tapekta.
Okay, it's 9, 10, 1, 8, and 3 ang ating unofficial arrival.